Nah, his tape up.
Yo, I
His
ain't gonna lie.
nasty.
YouTube. I literally just recorded a whole video. I wasn't even recording the video, and then I realized that my mic for some reason was fucking mute. So now we're starting this bitch. You feel me? I know I've been neglecting the gaming channel. I know nobody even watches the gaming channel, but now I'm gonna be posting on that religiously. You feel me? Mad niggas gonna be on that bitch. Right, my niggas. Niggas gonna be watching that shit. Right, y'all. Who the fuck is playing that shit?
Yo.
Ah, yeah, you're muted.
Ah, I'm
Let me stop.
Cut off is a mute button.
Get your head
I bet.
in real life. Yeah, like that one.
Bro, who the fuck are
Oh,
you
yeah.
talking, bro?
Yeah, you would. You get your face smashed in.
Is that right?
In real life. I'm
Is that right?
You coward.
That's right. Alright, you just smash my face in, right? I'm regretting this. I would never be threatened with nigga like bro.
That was crazy.
Two things I'll never be scared of: a nigga with that accent and an Australian
I
accent.
don't even know what my push to talk button is.
Mine's V, bro.
Is mine V2? Y'all hear me again? Oh, yes, it is.
Push
And
your
yeah.
foot, you start talking.
You a weirdo.
I spawned on a fucking unlocked tool. What the hell?
One of y'all is next to me. I think that's Javon next to me.
If you see me get into it, then yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that was you.
I literally spawned a lock tool as well. That's
I see
crazy.
Jordan's type
You
deep.
saw a nigga chasing a sack? Yeah, that's probably me, bro.
I think these niggas rubbing me the wrong way like a clit. I might use that my nigga.
There's a lockpick right here too. Yo, Connie, you see me, Connie?
Oh,
You see me, Connie?
Bud.
I'm in the
now,
cold
bro.
room.
This
Yo,
nigga
Connie
don't
to the
got
left
his
of me.
pistol tucked. What you gonna do? You got your pistol tucked. Yeah, you trying to call that shit now? It's
You're not
way
open
too
these
late.
up. Get your
This
two,
shit
bro.
way
Not
past
waiting.
luck, Duck. Come on. Come on.
This nigga Leland takes so long to get shit, bro.
Upgrade your thingy.
Yo, come on, where did you go? Is a killer on you?
Yeah, that's it.
Never mind. You can stay wherever the fuck you at.
Okay, stay calm.
Yo, Jordy, this nigga Leland takes forever, bro.
Now, on my second one.
Alright, here we go. Now, I see you get your first one. Yo, where y'all by?
He's fucking stupid. That's why.
I'm in the red room.
I'm out. It's gonna be highlighted if you don't want it, but I'm out. This nigga's on dick.
Open that. Don't move, don't move. Let's go back downstairs. But he was right there,
downstairs.
so
He's downstairs now. He's right there.
as long as he don't come upstairs.
Size. Come over here. There's stairs over here.
Where you at?
Right at the door. Where did you just go?
Holy
Oh.
shit. I had to play the long game.
I'm dead. What's up, nigga?
Whether I think
Come here, stupid.
you better get me killed.
We gotta open that front door.
I'm out here, might get sliced up.
I got to go down the fucking. I had to go down the well.
Where's he at, David? Did he see
Say
you?
something.
I'm about to truck him. Bitch ass
Bitch
nigga.
ass nigga. Come on.
Open it.
Oh my god, he closed the door!
He got back up. Oh my god. I'm a fucking demon. He didn't see me. Oh my god.
I just blitzed his pants out. Nah, we're cooking this nigga. Nah, we ain't doing this dead ass cooking this nigga.
I gotta find another door. Fuck it. There's a door right here.
Are they really gone?
I'm about to open this door and get fucking low, bruh.
He's so bad. Nigga David is locked in.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Y'all good? What's going on? Oh, someone get chopped up.
David is
Suck my dick.
I'm getting chopped up. Yo, I'm about to take
Nah,
his generator out. Yo, who's this out here?
Me.
I'm all the way outside the field. I'm getting the generator out. Break this vent, but don't.
You
Try
dead,
not to
David?
get this.
Yeah, he killed me.
I escaped.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't think there's escape for me.
I'm like, why are you crouching for?
Jordan, go, Jordan, go. Jordan, go!
I'm out of here.
I gotta
Like,
do
you gotta
that.
go back inside and go get out another way.
I know. I'm afraid to go inside though.
Just do it, bro. They're not inside. Why would they be inside? Right there, that door. Oh, they locked it. Oh, you have a lockpick.
And Jordan is home free,
Oh my
motherfucker.
God.
Yes.
This is so slow.
Uh-huh.
You can do it. Look,
Uh-huh. A little bit quicker. Now it's Mike. Mike, if you get out through the front door.
You're good. Keep going.
That's a front
It's
door.
crazy to watch. Know what I can do.
Don't move, don't move.
I gotta have another one?
They doubled it?
Yeah, he doubled it.
Go. I can tell you where Jordan went. Go. What's your left?
Go.
Go left.
What is this place?
Where's that plate? Where were you at? The fuck?
Oh, shit.
Cheese and chips for this nigga, bro.
It's clip. Oh my god.
Stick and move.
Left. You go left. No, don't go out. He's going upstairs.
No,
Jump out the fucking window,
why are
fuck
you
it.
going upstairs?
He's going upstairs. Jordan, that was the way you got out.
Yeah,
He's
I
freaking
know.
out. There's no
Lock
killing
it,
us.
lock
He's
it.
just freaking out.
Upstairs.
Go get a lock tool. He's freaking out. He's got.
Oh my
What have he
God,
done?
Bro.
He's through the
Oh my
light.
god, he's
That's good. Chilling.
Heal. Mike, you get that lock tool and go to where you just was. You're
Just have a
good.
heart
You're free.
attack.
You gotta hurry up, bro. Yo, Mike, the
Yeah.
next scream he does, bro, you're fucked. Yo, you gotta make.
push.
You're dead. He's calling.
Oh, your ass.
Lock the door behind you. Hush.
Hey, no, come on.
Lock that door. Hush. Down the steps.
At the door.
Hush. Do him the cut. Bush camp.
Ooh, is he expecting it?
Go to the back. Go. Go out. Hit straight left.
Oh shit!
Hush. He knocked him out. Mike knocked him out.
I'm out there, bitch.
No, not upstairs. I'm going upstairs.
Yeah.
Yo, this kid's retarded,
Oh my God,
bro.
he went upstairs. Corner.
Why do you keep going upstairs, bro? You're done.
Stop moving.
Upstairs.
Stop moving.
Oh, you got retard. Bro, this is getting me tight to watch, bro.
Let him touch. Shh. Can't be screaming.
Open that and you go downstairs. If you get that, you go downstairs. You go in the tunnels. You're free. That's the gate to open the tunnels.
Yeah, get that open. Do not make the noise, though.
Bro, what are you doing that for?
Oh, you're close. You gotta climb.
Suck my dick, nigga.
Oh my God.
It's too quiet.
This is hard to watch.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Taking a gong. He gets mad at every game. How? Just go downstairs and make a right. You're home.
You need to get out the house, bro.
Mike, you been in the house? He's staring at the killer on the steps.
Oh my God.
Oh, what the fuck?
Can I get a one-piece chicken nugget?
Go!
I'm out here, bitch. I'm out this bitch, nigga. Suck my dick. Oh my God, no.
Oh,
No.
I got out there. I think they turned the generator on. It's over, bro.
Damn. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, David. You gotta shut up while I'm playing, bro. You be screaming in my ear too much, bro. Like, how am I supposed to make rational decisions when you're like, so dumb, you're so dumb, what are you doing? Like, damn.
Bro. Yo, you guys might want to ready up, bro. Just saying.
Listen,
Leatherface.
I'm
I need
white.
that.
ready up.
I can't say that.
Say nigga.
It's this
Hey,
nigga
look-
Mikey D.
Hey,
I
Mikey,
am
just
Say nigga.
Please ready up.
No.
Say nigga.
No.
Bro, just say nigga one
I'm
time.
not.
Mike, ain't you supposed to
I'm
be
not
creating
because-
content?
Bro, just
What
say
you doing?
nigga,
Like,
bro.
Nice content, bro.
I fucking
Say
respect
nigga.
you, I'm not gonna say it.
Just say
How
nigga,
you
bro.
even know he's black?
Nigga. I'm white
How do
saying
you even know
nigga.
you're
I'm white
black?
as hell saying nigga, bro.
You are not.
I'm white, nigga. How the fuck you gonna tell me?
Dude, please be quiet. You two
Nah,
might
you
as
know
well
what's
just make
crazy?
out.
He knows you're black by the way you're saying it. Like, that's definitely not the first time you said that.
Yo, can y'all lock in? What's all this
Yo,
yapping,
what
man?
I'm the one who got away last time, bro. I'm good. I don't...
You right. Yeah, I was telling Michael how you literally made an escape for him. He just didn't choose to go. He just kept going upstairs.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
he's
you
freaking
do
out.
realize that the escape that he made was closed? Or are you
Ah, they
stupid?
pushed Javon's
No, it
Oh my
wasn't
god, he's
closed,
already.
bro.
He spawned next to me.
Yeah, that's literally how I died. He literally spawned out the door. I just got down, then he came in.
Oh my god.
So what happens if I just want to stay hung, though?
To me.
Who's in the North Tunnel?
I'm in the north south.
I'm in the south, so. Abdoli, again.
I'm fucked. This is the worst spawn I could have gotten.
Yeah, you're not even
I'm in
too
the
far
west
from me,
tunnel.
Javon. I hear you fighting for your life.
No, that's not me. You just.
I think I can make it.
I see
Somebody,
someone opening the
yo,
lock.
which one of y'all just triggered the damn chicken?
Me.
Oh, so you're next to me. Yo, what's good, Javon?
Who's this?
Yo.
My nigga, right here, Leland.
Yo.
I gotta
Let me
keep
out,
you,
let me
Leland.
out.
Yo, there's a door right behind you, Javon.
Okay. Lots of chickens, lots of chickens.
Wait, y'all buy the
We got
chickens?
time, we got time.
Wait,
Yeah, we buy the chickens.
Oh, yo,
Chicken
stay
right
still,
there.
stay still.
I'm about to go mid. Dump quick, Mike. Come on.
I'm coming.
Yo,
I'm
Jordan,
getting some
hurry up,
pics. I'm
we
getting some
don't
pics.
Wait, we gonna come behind y'all. We gonna come behind y'all. Me and Leland. We gonna take our time. You see the door, right, Jordan?
I'm only gonna get one of these, yeah.
It's like some kind of
I'll wait for you.
peak.
Let me know when you get it. I can't move.
This nigga's here. This nigga is here. This nigga is here. This nigga is here. This nigga is here.
Leland, you're alive.
Trying to get him off of you. They can come to me.
Yo, Jordan, we might have to open another door. Yo, we might have to open another door. He's locking that one. Come over here. Come back here. I can
He's
open
locking
it.
it?
No.
He might, but he's camping it though. Come on, Jordan.
That's fine. Y'all just go to another door.
Yeah.
Easy.
Jordan, where are you?
Good.
Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me.
Only one downstairs?
Or Mike. Nah, there's
Get to
a
the
bunch of them.
others.
Wait,
Yeah.
this nigga got another pick. I'm about to grab one too. Fuck it.
Please protect us.
Matter of fact, no,
Door here,
I'm
door
gonna
here.
get some help. I'm gonna get some help. Cause you got him right.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm just keep wanting some help. Where you at? I hear you. Niggas
Open the door.
fucking yapping. He's close. He's close.
Nigga, so I'm trying to get unclosed. We out.
This door is right here, Jordan. I'm gonna open it.
He's right behind us. Holy fuck, what the hell?
Pay more attention on
Why is it always me? Yeah, suck my dick. Come outside, nigga. Come outside, nigga. Stupid nigga. Close the door. Nada, nigga. Oh yeah, come in. Stupid. You missed me. Ah, they told me. That's the
Bro, he's waiting up here, bro.
Bro, there was 3 of them on me,
I
bro.
see the thing.
He is?
No, wait, actually, I don't know where he is. Oh, yeah, he is.
Bro, why is it always me? Like, there was 3 niggas on me, bro.
Come on. He just ran. He's in there. No. He's in there. Yes, sir. Same where I left before. David is open.
David can't even move right now.
Javon, same where I left before.
Okay.
This nigga Javon is playing Ring Around the Rosie with the killer.
Yo, there's no fucking way.
Javon!
Literally no fucking way, bro. Oh my god, what the fuck?
This is POV on!
Nah, he's
Trolling.
Nah, he's gotta be trolling, bro.
There's no shot, right? Nah, Javon literally feels like him right now, bro.
Nah, that was bullshit, bro. There's no fucking way. refuse to believe that, bro.
There's no way he didn't see you, bro. There's literally no possible way. He's literally letting you go.
That's crazy, bro.
Look at my shit.
Oh,
You see
shit.
mine?
Made mad fucking noise.
David's
yeah.
almost
Hey,
out.
Devon, jump down, Devon. No shot. No shot,
Stay
right?
quiet.
Go out, quick, Devon.
No, not there, not there, not there.
I can't
No, that's the one I
Oh.
opened. Wow, get dead.
Oh, fuck.
Damn.
Oh my god.
David,
This
dip.
is the fuck
Oh,
out.
never mind. That bitch is just chilling there.
I have to get out the other
Yeah, she about to
exit.
close
Oh,
that
Devon,
shit too.
wait, David, is that the way I left?
Nah, she's about to close it.
Yeah, one of the
yeah.
doors is about to open. The gauge door. I think that's the one. Yeah, they can't close that.
No. Well, she's
Dave, you
camping
can
it.
heal and get a tanker hits.
I mean, that's
Oh, wait,
his only
is that God?
option.
I think she put gas on.
Yeah, oh, to your right, to your right, to your right. The other door. The pressure gate.
I'm gonna go for that one.
Okay, okay. Hit me the shit, you can unlock it. I don't know. Okay.
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah, it's locked. And generated.
You're low.
Generator's on, buddy.
Oh no, there's no way for me to get out now. Just break her fucking face off. I'm fucked.
Like this.
Fucked, I'm fucked, I'm fucked, I'm fucked, I'm fucked, I'm fucked, I'm fucked. Suck my fucking dick, bitch.
Go, nigga. Go, nigga. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Yeah.
Go back under the gate, nigga.
He's behind you. You can go under it.
It's not let me sip, it's not let me sip drink. I'm trying to sip. I'm trying to sip. Come here,
yeah.
bit.
Ooh, bit, get that bit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get that bit.
Don't.
What the fuck?
I'm sipping in the animation. Yeah, I'm fucked.
Damn.
I'm fucked. He was on cot the whole game. I
You're
guess.
telling me, bro.
They was on mad meat the whole game. I guess.
I got killed by all three of them, bro. All three of them got some licks on me, bro.
GG's, everyone.
Nigga.
Alright. Fuck you.
Alright.
Bitch ass nigga. And I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I'm not gonna lie. I'm recording this like way after that gameplay was recorded because it took me a while to even have time to sit down and edit, as well as also sit down and drop videos. So I decided, you know what, just to get it out the way, I still have another video I gotta edit. But I'm actually, I made this video into 2 parts. But if y'all enjoyed it and y'all want some more gaming content, you know, sub to the gaming channel. Also sub to my main channel too. That's where I really be on heavily and post more often. I can't really post as often as I do on that channel because I really just don't have the time to. So hopefully soon I'll be able to gain that time to post more on this channel. But if y'all want to see more, you know, hit that sub button, hit that like button. We trying to get this channel up there, get this channel monetized, and at least get this channel to like 500 subs sooner or later. I don't even remember how much subs this channel has of me sitting here right now, but hope y'all enjoyed, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Sway. I'm out of here.